Hello. I just discovered a platform. I'm going to be introducing it to everybody so we can all start working and earning together. So, before I tell you the name of this platform, I want you to know one or two things as these will guide your decision on whether or not you want to work on this platform. So, basically, number one thing I want you to know is you can only have one account on this platform. And number two thing I want you to know is you can earn money through answering survey questions, through watching videos and completing all the simple tasks on the platform. Another thing is you can withdraw your money through gift cards or PayPal. So the only way you can get cash is through PayPal. Your gift card is going to go to you as points. So there's so many platforms, so many sites here that you can use to get your gift cards, but for your cash is through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal, you're gonna go get a PayPal account. So basically, and I also want you to know that there are tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 countries. Now, this tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 countries, depending on where you are working from, if you're from tier 1 countries as the US, the UK, and the Canada, you're going to be earning more money than people that are working from tier 2 countries, which are like the New Zealand, the Norway, France, and so many other countries too. That includes Nigeria because I know so many Nigerians will ask the question. Yeah, tier 3 countries, which include Nigeria and so many other African countries, are also going to earn from this platform, but your earning will be low. So depending on the country that you are in, it's going to affect your payment. So those from tier 1 country in summary is going to earn more than those in tier 3 countries, notwithstanding whether or not they did the same task. So I want you to have this in mind. But nonetheless, no matter where you're working from, you're going to still earn from this platform. So quickly, I'm going to show you the site, and from there, we're going to progress and doing our task. So guys, let's go over to my laptop while I show you what next to do. Hello guys, so welcome back to today's section. So quickly, the name of the site is Zoombox. I'm gonna type Zoombox. You can see it's already there on my browser. Zoombox.com. Search it. Yeah, so you can see here, earn free money and get free gift cards. Click on it. So here is it. So let's go to zoombox.com. So let's see one of the things. Advertisers want engagement for their surveys, products, and services. So we recruit members, we find members willing to get paid for completing various actions. So these are the things that happened here, how it works. Then take surveys, complete offers, watch videos, and get paid with cash and gift cards. So it says you cash out rewards. So these are the various ways you can cash out your rewards. iTunes, PlayStation, Steam, Google Play Points. This is a gift card, this is a gift card, this is a gift card. So also have Walmart, we have Netflix, we have League Legends, so you can see Amazon. So any way that's suitable for you to cash out, then that's fine for you to withdraw. So these are kind of some of the platforms that provide works that you have to complete. So basically that's it. So you earn cash by completing surveys, doing offers, and watching TV. So let's see password. So guys, just fill in your details. Okay, so we're in here right now. We're in here, but when you're trying to register, you gotta have to just when you're trying to sign up, you just have to fill all the details there is to fill, and make sure you use a functional email because you have to verify with your email. So when you refer friends, this is another way to ask. When you refer a friend, the friend gets 500 Naira points, and you also earn points depending on depending on the tier of your country. So like I've told you, tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, depending on your tier, it's gonna affect the amount of pay you can offer. So we're at home, you can decide to watch. So here it says Hideout TV. See, it's earn 7 points for every 3 videos watched with ads. So you can see that in here it says what? Earn 5 points for every 3 videos watched with ads. Credits unlimited times. Minimum amount to redeem from Lose the TV is 10 points. So by the time you watch 6 videos, you can redeem your 10 points, alright? So this one does not require so much. So if you need to invite friends, you can go on to this place and then copy your link. I'm also gonna share my link down in this video, you guys, so you can use my link to subscribe, to sign up rather, and then so I can earn points as well. So make sure you use my link. Everybody, thank you. So gift cards and cash. We already did this one, how you can earn, right? So see PayPal, you can get PayPal rewards will only be sent to emails specified in Zoombox account for instructions on adding more emails, blah, blah, blah. So for PayPal, once you have $5, you can request for withdrawal. And all these ones have to do with gift cards and all. So you can decide to do surveys. You can decide to do surveys. So it says this will take 48 minutes. So it's giving 160 points. So it's a study. You can just go on to click and start survey. So once you complete, another one comes up. So that's how it works. So how often do you eat fast food? Any quick service restaurant any given week, your average? So this is how the survey questions comes. These are how the survey questions come. So you answer them and then you move on to the next. So let's go straight to offers. Let's see what offers have for us. So these are offers. Endpoints by downloading. So these are endpoints when you download apps, complete trials, and when you join sites. So this one says download games, complete offers, and more. And then you get paid. This one says endpoints by watching videos, completing offers, and more. So you can see what you have to do with them, right? So anyone you choose to do, just click on site and start. Click on start and then get done with the task. So this one, what does it say? Register deposit and work a minimum of 4,128 Naira using a valid payment method. So what happens? You earn $6 here. So this one says what? Play and reach level 20 within 14 days. What game is that? Let's say the game Dream Gym. It's an iOS. So after reaching that level, you can get 1,000 points or $1. So guys, this is it basically. So this one says play and reach another level of game within how many? 14 days. So once you play and reach, you also get $1. Play and reach level 23 within 14 days as well, you also get $1. So guys, remember, once you get up to $5 and you have a PayPal account, you can request for withdrawal and then the money is sent to you. So that's it for all of this. So this is Bingo Blitz. How many? This one says complete up to level 50 within 10 days. How much they have to pay? $1. So if it's what you want to do, you can just move forward. Let's see, time wall. Perform micro task and click sign up to time wall and withdraw at least 10,000 points. You can see. So this one, I think this is a much easier task to do. Yeah, you can see the amount, $0.24. So you can do all these ones that are not so demanding, or you can go on a play game if you like playing games, or you can watch videos, anyone that's suitable for you. So you can see show more, they have more waiting for you here. So guys, I'll leave my link down below. Register with my link, sign up with my link so that I can earn free points and play and do what you have to do, take surveys, watch videos, and work on the offers. Let us know how it goes with you. So guys, any questions, please leave down below. So we have some emails from me. This one says since plus about me equal to up to $15 per complete. So if this one gets completed, you can get up to $15, $1 per survey with that gets completed. So guys, that's all. So you can see this one, $3 and up to $3 for each survey completion. Social survey is pay less, longer surveys pay more. So I'm paying $10 and up to $10 point for each survey completion. Ensure that your birthday, gender, and zip are completed in your profile in other too. So you can see this one's actually paying up to $10, and this one is paying how much? Completely 1 to 1 minute. Well, I don't know how much this one is paying. So earn up to $5 for each survey completion and get paid for disqualification. So that's partial completion. Complete your profile and see all the. So this one is paying up to $5, $3, $10, $10. So anyways, that's it, you all. If you have any questions, let me know so that we can tackle together. And yes, you can work from anywhere. You can work with your smartphone and yeah, you can earn. So thank you all.